Hey everybody, it's Haley, and today I'm here with my best friend Micaela. Oh, sorry.
I need your glasses. It's okay, it happens all the time.
And we're going to make apple crumble. So you like fruit and apple desserts, right?
Yep.
That's good. This is gonna be super easy, so let's get started. The first thing we're gonna make is the crumble topping. So we have half a cup of flour, and then we add in the oats, half a cup of oats, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. We can stir that together. Okay, and then we're adding 5 tablespoons of slightly soft butter.
Slightly.
Slightly. Yeah, you just want to like mix it together and kind of break it into little pieces. I've got some diced apples. We're using 3 Honeycrisp apples.
Probably could have been maybe a little softer.
Yeah.
It's wanting to stick to the
Maybe
spoon a
let me
lot.
get this. I gotta practice cutting apples actually for the competition we're doing.
Really?
Yeah, because we have to make apple galettes and we gotta cut.
I don't even know what that word means, to be honest with you.
Oh man.
Oh.
I forgot to peel the skin off. That'll be fine. They make us do that in school, but I think it's fine. Why waste it? Yeah, apple galettes are like a fancy word for like an individual little apple pie.
Squish, squish. We're making progress.
Okay, so the crumbly part is mixed together. Now for the apples, we're going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, lemon juice, and sugar. You want to stir it together?
Sure.
Just the mixer of all things, Micaela. And I'm gonna grease this little baking dish we have. We're gonna put the apples into our little greased baking dish here. And we're gonna take this crumble and put it all over the top. I don't think it should explode because it's not like liquidy.
That's true.
Alright, so now we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for probably 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I'll let you guys know. Ta-da! The apple crumble is done. It took like 40 minutes. Now we're gonna try it.
Looks good.
And of course you have to top it with whipped topping or ice cream.
Ah. Yeah, it's falling apart. That's really good.
The apples are like perfectly cinnamony. And I like the crunchy crumble.
I say this was a success.
Thank you so much for baking with me, Micaela.
Thank you for having me, Haley.
Of
This
course.
is delicious.
Yes. Let us know in the comments what else you want to see me make. Thank you so much for baking with us today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. And we will see you next time. Bye. Bye. And I'm glad you had the idea to make this because it's really good.
I don't think I have the idea. But
I think you said you like apple cobbler or something, or fruit cobbler.
probably.
And yeah.